Turning Q engine L3V37. All turning good, all compression complete, and the front all looks like so. It didn't have plastic here, as you can see. And this side all looks good. No damages, compressor looking good, alternator looking good as well. On the top all looks good as well, all connectors, injectors looks good. Back side and here all looks good, starter looking good. On this side all looks good as well. Turbo is in good condition. And underneath all looks good, no damages. Turning engine L3V37. Thank you.